Soul Life, and I'm a visual artist. All of the people I meet, the music I listen to, all of my experiences, I try to capture that and portray it in my art. What I love most with what I do is the connection that I'm able to build with people using the ideas that I'm able to come up with. What I love most with what I do is the connection that I'm able to build with the people that admire my art. First, I need a gallery. I really need a gallery to be able to exhibit all of my work, and not only my work, the work of my peers and people I look up to as artists as well. My name is Art Soul Life, and I'm a raw artist.